If your contact list is still spread across sticky notes, spreadsheets, and inboxes, you're not just wasting time, you're missing opportunities. Let's fix that. In BIGContacts, you can add contacts in 4 simple ways and set yourself up for organized, trackable communication. Whether you're adding one contact or importing thousands, doing it the right way saves time, keeps things clean, and sets you up for everything from email automation to team collaboration. Let me show you how it works. If you just need to add one contact, go to your dashboard and click Add Contact in the top right. Type in their first and last name. Add their email, phone number, any details you've got. Click Add, and that contact is now saved in your system. Now here's something really useful. While you're filling out a contact, you can also customize the form to track details that matter to your team. Think things like lead source, customer type, or product interest. Anything you want to sort, filter, or follow up on later. Look for the Customize Form link at the bottom of the Add Contact panel. Click it, then in the left sidebar, select Add Field. Choose the field type, drop-down, single-use, multi-line text box, or tag. Give it a name and click Save. Once you've filled everything out, hit Save again, and you're all set. If you're working with a big list, maybe you're switching from spreadsheets or another CRM, bulk import is a huge time saver. Go to Add Contacts and select Import Contacts from the drop-down. Then click Download Import Template. It's already formatted, so you can simply paste your contacts in. Once done, upload the file. Next, select what you want to do with the uploaded contacts. Add new, update existing, or both. Once you're done, you can match your column headers to BIGContacts fields and start the import. You can bring in names, emails, phone numbers, whatever you've got cleaned and ready. Want contacts to add themselves? If you've got a lead capture form on your website, you can connect it directly to BIGContacts. Every time someone fills it out, they're added to your CRM automatically. No manual typing, no copy pasting, just clean, hands-free data capture. Got your contacts saved in Outlook? You can bring them into BIGContacts in a few quick steps. Go to Settings, then select Personal Settings and open the Outlook Sync tab. Click Connect Account and sign in with your Outlook credentials. Then head over to Outlook. Click on the People tab, open Manage Contacts, and choose Import Contacts. Upload your CSV file and complete the import. Once syncing is active, BIGContacts will automatically pull in those contacts. And that's it. 4 easy ways to build a clean, centralized contact database. It's one of the fastest wins when you're getting started. If this helped you out, give us a like, share it with your team, and hit subscribe for more BIGContacts how-tos. And if you're looking to tag contacts, automate follow-ups, or build email templates, check out our Help Center. See you in the next one.